And it's a day of sunshine and blustery showers. The outlook stays mild, but turns drier. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. 27.
And it's been a bit mild the last couple of weeks, but, you know, things could get cold in October, couldn't they?
And this is the problem with all of this. You know, we want climate justice around the world, but we also want to look after the UK. We think about emissions. Three-quarters of our emissions are how we heat our homes, how we travel and what we eat. And the cost of all of those is going up. So if we look at being green, the greener we are, we can keep all those costs down while also saving the planet. So it really is a win-win, but it's just getting the ball rolling on that. And that's a big conversation. Climate justice is a big thing at COP. And the other thing yesterday was early warnings. Half the world don't have early warnings for extreme weather. We're so lucky. But for the UK last night, it was another wet and windy one. We had gusts of wind of 50, 60 miles an hour, keeping many people awake overnight last night, even up to 70 through some coastal areas. And that was a blustery band of heavy rain that marched across the country. In its wake, it leaves behind sunshine and showers, staying windy, and the chance of some of those showers being heavy with thunder. And here's how it looks first thing. The last of that rain clearing through eastern areas within the next few hours. In its wake, dry, brighter conditions. But don't be fooled, because heavy showers arriving yet again, heaviest in the west with hail and thunder banded together. Thankfully, the strong winds will move them through fairly swiftly. And temperature-wise, again, 12 to 15, maybe 16 degrees. It is above average, but feeling cold in those blustery winds. This evening and overnight tonight, it's the sun that gives the showers the strength. So overnight, as the sun starts to ease and fade away, we see the showers doing the same. So it turns drier for many of us overnight tonight. Still breezy, which means by tomorrow morning, 8 to 10 degrees, a little cooler than it was first thing. And here's how it looks for tomorrow. Showers around coastal areas because seas are warmer than the land at this time of year, so more likely to have them around the coast overnight. But a better looking day tomorrow, more in the way of sunshine and just a few light showers. Good morning to you. Weather-wise, it was a windy one last night. We had gusts of wind 50 to 60 miles an hour, 70 around some coast with heavy rain yet again. And it means a soggy start this morning. And this is the pressure setup, low pressure close by. When it is, it means it's often wet and off. So let's see how this changes as we head through the next 7 days. Well, we still have this southwesterly flow, and that keeps things mild. And that's really the trend for many of us. For the north of the UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, we look at our temperatures compared to average, climbing in the coming days to above average by the end of the working week. Looking at our percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK for the next 7 days, how likely we are to see wet weather. Well, it's hit and miss. It's the sunshine and shower scenario, but turning wetter with more persistent rain through to Friday, but drier just in time for the weekend. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, again, temperature-wise, it is average or above. Slowly, these temperatures climbing as we head through the week, tailing off a little into next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the south. Again, how likely we are to see wet weather? Well, again, hit and miss. Sunshine and showers, the heaviest likely to be on Thursday. But as high pressure builds in, it starts to turn things drier through Friday and the weekend. Maybe doesn't last into next week, though. Good morning to you. A cloudy, wet and windy night for many of us last night, and there's more of the same as we head through the day today. Yes, it'll be windy. Yes, it'll be wet, but in between, there should be some decent sunshine. Here's how it looks first thing this morning. A band of rain quickly clearing away from eastern areas of England, and it was a windy old night, and it stays windy through the day today, and that brings... It was a wet and windy night last night. The band of rain that affected many is now clearing away through eastern areas, and it's a day of sunshine and showers. Showers coming in thick and fast through western areas in the coming hours, and they're accompanied by gusty... Good morning. It was a windy night for many of us last night with a band of heavy rain. That's now cleared away, and it's a day of sunshine and showers, but staying windy. Here's the showers that move in. They start from the west. They march their way eastward through the day, but banded together. So if you catch one, it could be with you for a while. In between, some sunshine and highs still of 16 degrees, so that's above average, but adding in the winds gusting 30 or 40 miles an hour, particularly in the west, it'll feel disappointingly cool, and these showers heavy with hail and thunder. Tonight, the showers tend to fade away. It turns dry, clear, but staying breezy, so not too cold, and a good-looking day with plenty of sunshine tomorrow.